Here's one way that I like to use GeoGebra with my students. I created this file and I've shared it with my students and I'm sharing it with you now. Right now you can see that a quadratic function is graphed here. It's graphed actually twice, once in blue and once in red. The red graph corresponds to whatever is typed here in red, and the blue one is whatever is typed in blue. You can also see that there's sliders for the parameters for the function here, and if I change a, it shows right away what the new parameter a value is, and the difference in the graph is shown right there. Of course you can play with all the other parameters as well, the b, the h, the k. They can be positive, they can be negative. So your kids can play with these and see the effects of the parameters themselves. One thing I like to ask my students is, how come when I make a negative it flips down, but when I make b negative it doesn't flip down? If it just so happens to not be the quadratic function that you're studying at the moment, not a problem. You just type in the rule of the function that you're interested in, and the red one is the root one, that's the main one. So you double click on that, and to type in the absolute value function the way GeoGebra likes it, it shows you a few examples down here of how GeoGebra likes these things. So ABS, so now it's kept the parameter values the same, but now I'm looking at the two absolute values. So this function can be anything you want. It could be square root, it can be log, rational, whatever you want. The parameters will affect the shape of the graph in any type of function.